Can you open them? Pull it back.
Gabe, open him up. Open him up. Go.
Can you let him?
Mason, stand back and watch him.
Abby, get it, Gabe. Get it out.
Get it, Gabe. What is it, Gabe? Get it. Okay, let me hold that. Let me hold that. Alright.
Get it, Gabe.
Papa.
Hey, and when you put it down,
What else you got, Gabe? Let's see. Abby, you're not supposed to be helping either. Pull it out. Can y'all help him get it out? Get it. No, just help him with the box. Don't help him like grab it. Is he gonna help? You're gonna start early, huh? Give it to him. Let me see, Gabe. Give it to Gabe.
Here you go, Gabe. Pick it up. Let Daddy see it.
Pick it up and show it to Daddy, Gabe. I'm gonna come where you are real quick. Sit back here.
Gabe's like, what the hell is going on?
Do it right here, Gabe. Okay.
Gabe. Gabe.
Hold on.
Rip it.
You want to
hold
open
on,
it?
Abby. Hold on. Let him rip it. Rip it open, Gabe. Rip it.
Can you take that off?
I can take it.
No. I didn't ask you. I haven't.
Baby, you're such a good helper, but why don't you just let Gabe?
He's like, I don't care.
Gabe.
Hey, open it. Can you take that off? Here, we'll do this in a minute. Here.
Right there, right there, right there. Hold.
Hold
Take
on.
it,
Ooh.
Mason, you don't
Open that right there.
really use it because it's 3 hours.
Here, right here. Oh, I don't care. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me.
Hold on, Boots. Hold on.
He started
do the big
doing
one.
it.
Gabe,
I don't
this
do
one.
it. Right there. Open there.
Open. What is that? My Little Pony? What is it, Gabe?
What is it?
Race car dishes.
Race cars.
What?
What the heck? What the heck is
What is it? You want me to hold it? Thank you. There's a card.
I just opened the tape for him. Opened it. I want to open it. There you go. I opened it.
Gabriel, look. This says happy birthday. Say happy birthday. What is that? A rum rum. It says happy second birthday. We love you. That's from all your friends. Kylie and Ellie. Yes, can you open it? Pull it open right there. Open right here. We'll sit it right here. Can you sit it right here? And we'll open it afterwards? Abby, let him do it. He's doing a good job.
What's that, Gabe? Oh my gosh.
Open it up, Gabe.
I'll open.
Car G-strings?
Thank you. Abby, give him a minute, please.
You're gonna wear those, right?
Hang on, Kylie. There we go. What is it, Gabe?
It's underwear.
It's panties.
It's underwear. Mom.
I see it. Those are nice.
Let's open those bad boys up.
Yeah,
Throw this
the
one.
smallest size they had that was a 4. So they left it for
Gabe, look at these.
Pretty big.
Gabe. Look at these.
Hang on, Abby. No, Abby, no.
Gabe, look.
Gabe, look.
I think it's going to be too big.
Ciao.
Because there's something big in there.
Yeah, he's like, look at my
Here,
shirt.
put it on your head. Here, let me see. I'll put it on your head. Put it on your head.
Why are you telling him
Put it on. It's a hat.
Look, Gabe, look.
the hat?
Look, Gabe. See?
What is it?
There's something pretty big in here.
Oh, let's see.
Whoa!
Gabe, look.
Whoa, Gabe.
Gabe, look.
Look, Gabe.
What
Who
was
is that?
This? Ugh, this is stuck.
We'll have to undo it.
That's from.
We'll have to fix it. We'll get Daddy to take it apart for you. See what else is in the bag.
That's from Mamo. Oh man, big. He's big. This is big.
This is for him and his daddy to do together.
And another.
Ooh.
Gabriel. Another motorcycle.
Abby, stop. Yeah.
Game.
Yeah.
Look at Miss Sabita.
Oh My gosh.
What do you think, Gabe?
Here's the directions.
Thank you very much. There's the direction from Ellie.
Kylie, don't open that. Give it to Gabe.
What do you think, Gabe? How old are you today? Today's your birthday. How old are you? Say 2. Show me how old you are. 2. Say 2. Oh, he's just interested in the cars. Well, tomorrow you'll technically be 2. You looking for your stuff?
Hold on. Let me get it. Watch, Gabe, watch. Yeah. We'll work on this later.
Should be easy. Yes, I see. If you see any trash like back there, you can just stick it in here. I know you like that, huh? Yeah. That's cool, huh? What is it? It is a cup and a bowl and a plate for you. We got, oh, y'all bump heads. We got, now he doesn't have to eat off of hearts and princesses anymore. Gabriel, look at them and say thank you. Look at Shannon, say thank you. Yeah. And tell Mr. Jeff thank you. Say thank you.